Yeah, he's still on there. You want to grab that other rod? He's right there. Oh, dude. Oh no, he's right here. Oh. He's flat moving, dude. He's right. He's coming up. He's coming right. Oh, right here. Got him. I think we're tangled. Did he come off? Oh. Let's see here. If he comes this way.
I lost him.
Oh, dude. Oh. Yeah, keep it down. Let him.
Got a double.
Did you lose it or still on? I hope he don't go nowhere. Oh, dude. Oh. There we go. Whoop.
How do you pronounce it? Spilt milk? Spilt?
Oh yeah, spilt milk, yeah. He's right here. Oh, dude. Yeah, he's still on here. Ready? Ready? Nice. Let me click this bail. There you go. Go ahead and bring it in. Nice. Oh, there we go. All right. Jeez. Where's your little bonker at? Oh, he's got lamprey bite. Okay. Oh my. Come on. Well, it embedded that thing. Come on out. There we go. Don't tangle in there more. Oh, that's a nice one. That take down? Okay, let me get this up then. Okay, where's the net at? Where are you going here? Oh, really? That's the day. That is nuts. What's that? Let him eat. Stay down, buddy. Stay down. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Oh, shoot. Oh. Okay, here I'm gonna come. Here it comes. Nice. Yeah. Oh. We're good.
Good forward. Fish on, fish on.
Oh, geez.
Oh, that's oh, listen.
Okay, here. Stay down, buddy. Here, I'm coming up. Get it? Okay. Let me click it here. Oh, it's bait caster. Cool. I like these better. There it goes. Okay. Which way you going?
Whichever way you want me to go.
This is crazy. You're over there. Look at this over here. Knocking that on the ground. Oops. What do I got here? Oh shoot, he's going down. Nice. Right on. Yeah, buddy. Woo. Got 3 to my right, 3 to my left.